Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Stock Market India Reporter. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Mazagon डॉक को मिला एक बहुत बड़ा ऑर्डर। अभी रिसेंट न्यूज़ है, 9 तारीख का डेट, शाम के टाइम ये पब्लिश हुआ बीएसई वेबसाइट पे। ऑर्डर का डिटेल्स जानते हैं। टू बीएसई लिमिटेड टू एनएसई लिमिटेड सब्जेक्ट नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ द अवार्ड कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम ओएनजीसी ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस कॉर्पोरेशन। जो वैल्यूएशन दिखाया जा रहा है दैट इज ए ह्यूज अमाउंट 4676 करोड़ प्लस चेंज। सो देखते हैं ऑर्डर क्या है और डिटेल्स में देखते हैं। नेचर ऑफ ऑर्डर, फैब्रिकेशन एंड इंस्टॉलेशन ऑफ वेल हेड प्लेटफॉर्म एंड एसोसिएटेड पाइपलाइन प्रोजेक्ट। टाइम पीरियड दिया गया 31 मई 2026, so around less than 2 years. And again in details, 4676 crore 32 lakhs 59,503 only, including all the GST. So that's the order Mazagon dock have received, which is a very much good news for the stock, and it will increase the order book for the stock for next years. Let's see what the chart suggests. This is the weekly chart, and from my initial videos I have set a target of 5773 that still remain intact. There is a possibility from the current level it may move forward and cross this 5773 in coming days. So if you have already invested, keep it on. If you are willing to, wait for tomorrow's market reaction, and based on that you can take that call. That's all for today's market update. Remember to stay informed and make well-researched decision on your investment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in next video.